the best. It determines infection with 100% accuracy. Oh.
Now start
there's
the
new
inspection.
symptoms. There's new symptoms, huh? Let me check the quarantine.
Identification verified.
She's still in here
Status
crying.
stable. No incidents reported.
Ma'am, come out here.
I'm forever in your debt. Please. I have
You got
children.
kids. Okay,
They're
yeah.
waiting for
They're
me.
waiting on you. Okay, ma'am. Let's see if you're good today. What? Think about him. Ma'am, I'm sorry I had you locked in there with him. Ma'am, I'm so sorry. She's been through so much. She's been here for like 4 days. Her kids are waiting on her, man. And I'm just... But that cough. Chat, that cough. Ooh, I hear some rattle action. Ooh, you hear that rattle action? Ooh, it's getting worse. Ooh. Okay, ma'am. Are you feeling okay? Let me check your temperature. Do I waste one of the syringe tools to check if she's good or not? Because she has been in here for a long time, Chad. Ma'am, we're just gonna keep you for another day or two, okay? Ma'am, we're just gonna keep you for another day or two.
I feel fine. Please, don't do this.
Ma'am, we gotta wait for that cough to go away. I can't risk it.
Identification verified.
Next survivor.
Come on.